Patel. This question is from Nina in our group. She was asking how to set up the remarketing for Google to put on our website. Nina, we've talked a little bit about your website. You have a coaching business and you wanted to do remarketing. You've already started doing a little bit of Google advertising. Everything has worked out, and then we talked about how you should be remarketing to the people who visited your website so they can continue to put your product in front of their face and sell to them in the future. So I'm already in my Google AdWords account. This video is for Google AdWords, how to do remarketing through that. You want to go into your shared library right down here, and you want to go to your audience right here, and you go to view, and this is supposed to be a code that you put on your website, on the footer of your website. And again, if you need help with the footer and all that stuff, I might make another video about how to throw the code into your website, but it's pretty easy. You can have you or whoever's managing your website take care of that. But the purpose is you're going to have a little code, you put it on the website, and then you let people come to your website. And what happens is that every time that people come to your website, Google keeps a note, or the code keeps a note about who came to your website, so that if you paid traffic for people to come to your website and they were interested in what you had to provide as far as your coaching services, but they just didn't buy at the moment because maybe it was a little bit of high expense or something, and they might be interested next month. Well, you can create a retargeting, or for Google it's a remarketing campaign, to promote your same exact ad in a little bit of reframed way to that person maybe in a month. Just to make it up, let's say your program costs $1,500 and this is January, right? So in February, let's say that you wanted to just offer a discount for $1,200. And so you can create an ad remarketing to the people who already know about your product because they came to your website. You can create an ad and tell them that, hey, now it's $1,200. And that might really get them going because now they see that it's $300 cheaper. So right here is what you would click on, set up remarketing for your website. If in case you had a YouTube list or YouTube users or mobile app users, customer emails, you could do that too. But these are all creating the list. This one is what you want to do. Set up remarketing, and I probably won't go any further than this because all it does is you go through this process and it's going to give you the code. You can email the code to yourself or to your webmaster or whoever, and you'll just get a code and you'll put it in the footer of your website and you are good to go. It's similar to a video I just made recently about your Facebook pixel. Google remarketing and Facebook pixel are pretty much the same thing. They're just they're both having a code put on your website so that whoever comes to your website, you can promote something to them specifically later, because these people already know kind of who you are, what you're about. So you don't have to promote what you're trying to provide right away. You can start promoting the benefits of the product or service you're promoting. So you can kind of change your messaging a little bit because these people already know who you are. It's the cold traffic and hot traffic. These people who are brand new are cold traffic, and the people who already came to your website once, they're getting a little bit warmer and warmer and warmer. So a really good way that I use remarketing and the Facebook pixel is for hot traffic. Let's say somebody bought a book from me or bought one of my courses or something. These people have bought already once, and I have something extremely valuable that's up to date, whether it's something new I learned on Facebook that I can provide them. I can promote something to the super hot people. And in a future video, I'll show you how you can separate the people based on the remarketing. But in general, everybody, you should be having the Facebook pixel and this remarketing code on the footer of your website, period, okay? So I hope you enjoyed the video, and Nina, I hope you found this video valuable. Talk to you soon in another video. Take care. Bye.